Hi everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here at the Grand Legacy Hotel. Grand Legacy at the park is located at 1650 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is 0.4 of a mile or 463 meters and about a 7-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. It is rated number 43 out of 128 hotels in Anaheim. Grand Legacy at the park has an amazing family pool area and the pool is heated. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. We booked a luxury 2-queen room here at the Grand Legacy. This particular building is connected to the lobby and is a hotel style, so the corridors are inside. Also on the rooftop is the 5th, and it's a bar and restaurant, and we just had dinner there. This hotel has a wide range of room types, so the very back building is newer. They tore down the very back of the property and built a new tower around 2011-2012. That whole area is brand new, but it is a motel style, so the corridors are outdoors. And then the side buildings are also older, the oldest part, and it's a motel style as well. We used to stay here all the time when it was the Ramada main gate. When our kids were toddlers, this was our go-to place. It was our go-to place because they had wonderful customer service. It's a very quick and easy walk to the parks. The pool area is great, and we just overall loved it here. The pool here is really wonderful. It's a zero entry pool for kids, so it's really great. It's heated, and they have a tiny little splash pad area, so it's just really great pool for families and for kids. This lamp here on the nightstand has 2 regular outlets, and the alarm clock has 1 USB. They also have a desk area here with a lamp with 2 outlets as well, and a coffee pot and the stuff for all the coffee. They have a really nice closet or wardrobe here, and it has a bunch of hangers and an ironing board, an iron, and a luggage rack. This room is pretty spacious. You could easily fit a pack and play, a stroller, or even a scooter in here if you needed. They have great storage here with this dresser combo. It also holds the microwave and the really nice sized mini fridge. I really like that in front of each bed is a bench area. Anytime there's a room with additional seating, we always really like that. Just gives you another spot to put things or to sit on in the room. I just tried this bench and it's super comfortable and really cushy. It doesn't look like it would be, but it's very comfortable to sit on. Right when you walk in the door, there is a full-length mirror. I always really like having an extra mirror to get ready in if need be. There is really good lighting in this room as well, and it's very wide. I think you could easily fit a pack and play here and a bunch of other areas as well. I really like this bathroom setup because the sink and the mirror is separated from the toilet and the tub shower combination, and we always really love when rooms are set up like that because I usually shower first and then I can get ready here at the sink while Jim hops in the shower. The toilet area and the tub shower combination is also very spacious. They have lots of towels in here. They even have an extra area to hang clothing or a towel, and they have a very quiet fan in here. We always love when the bathrooms have a fan. We are also very impressed with how clean this room is. We did our dust test and we just checked out the whole bathroom area, and there's no random hair, there's no dust. They've done a really great job of keeping this room very clean. So far, we're super impressed with this room. We really like all the new additions they've added here since we've stayed here last. Soon we will have a video on our experience here, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. And here's another similar hotel video posted here. Thank you so much for watching.